Today we're going to discuss importing time and attendance payroll batch from workforce time using the TimeSYNC functionality. TimeSYNC is turned on when you purchase workforce time and attendance along with the Compass system for a complete integration of your HRMS payroll benefits administration database and workforce time at the enterprise level. If you've completed the process of batching your time, which there are distinct videos for in the time and attendance, how to batch a payroll file for time card calculations for pay period. If that's been completed, then you're ready to proceed to this step, which is using TimeSYNC to seamlessly post those hours to your pay entry. If you're ready to proceed, then from the employee master screen or the home screen, whichever it may be, simply click on TimeSYNC. Click on TimeSYNC import. And what we're going to do here is simply import and post to our pay entry the actual calculated hours from workforce time and attendance. You will see that there's some differences between this and a third-party import, so to speak, as that it has no file upload requirements. You're just simply going to need to pick the pay calendar and the pay group that you processed based on your payroll batch processing using workforce time. Assign your initials to the code, whatever those might be, and then make sure you're following along with the delete previous time upload data if you've already imported and you're wishing to overwrite that, or if you've already imported and you wish to just append the file, then you would leave that undone and it would append to your previous import whatever you're importing now. The most basic function of that is to just overwrite it each time that you need to import a new file. If you're going to create minimum wage makeup, simply click on the box which will allow you to pick which codes for earning and overtime you're applying the minimum wage makeup to. This is specifically to entities that are dealing with commissioned employees or tipped employees using workforce time and attendance. Once you're ready to proceed and you have the file and you've processed it in batch in workforce time and attendance, make sure you have the same pay calendar and pay group. You just simply click import time. The file will process. It will take about 5 to 10 seconds depending on the size of your firm, employee size count, and the process will be complete. It will provide you with a breakdown of the import. You can simply close that out, and what you'll need to do at that time is to go to your pay entry task and go to the time import log. Once you go to the time import log drop down, it'll tell you to give you the time import activity and exception report. We need to run this each individual time to make sure that we do not have any errors in our labor distributions or the actual import itself. When I click run report, the report will run, okay, and it will provide us with an output report based on our previous actual import, giving us a total hours. And if you click there, it'll open the report. The report will be downloadable in PDF, provide you with exceptions, or a complete composite file that's telling you there were 0 exceptions in the total valuation of your hours. You can always check these hours against your reports in time and attendance, but since you are using workforce time and attendance and you are importing the exact hours that you batch processed, there is a very slim chance that there will be any differentiation. Once you're completed with that process, you've posted those hours to pay entry. Simply go back to pay entry itself and make any more adjustments that you might have, or you can re-import the time file again if needing to make more adjustments using the TimeSYNC import. Should you have any further questions on the TimeSYNC import using workforce time and attendance, simply go to support.compasshrm.com, click on the administrator, scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see a contact support icon, which will lead you to an email notification.